back workout. Exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building a massive back starting with pull-up. Pull with your elbows and squeeze your lats. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to dumbbell single arm reverse fly back. Keep your back flat and pull the weight toward your hip. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm. Exercise 3. Next up is the inverted row between chairs. Keep your arms straight and lift to shoulder height. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do cable seated one arm alternate row. Maintain a strong posture and pull the bar to your lower stomach. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Exercise 5. Finally, we have the cable rear pull down. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Go for as many reps as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.